This video will show how to buy shares of Graf Global Corp, a publicly listed company trading on NASDAQ under the ticker GRAF. This is an educational guide and not financial advice, so please research before making any investment decision. To buy shares, you need a broker account, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place orders. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker GRAF to locate the company listing. Make sure you pick the Graf Global Corp entry that shows NASDAQ as the exchange. Open the stock page to review basic company information and the price chart and confirm the listing. Double-check the NASDAQ ticker symbol GRAF to ensure this is the correct asset. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, then review and confirm the order details before submission. If the market is closed, your order may be queued, and the platform will prompt you to add more funds if your balance is insufficient. Once the trade executes, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it and make adjustments. A link to eToro is provided in the description if you want to follow the same example.